secret drink for instant energy. The trick that will change your day. Have you ever felt like your body is lacking energy, as if you lack that extra boost to face the day? What if there was a simple recipe with natural ingredients capable of giving more disposition and vitality? Can some food combinations really influence your performance and well-being? The answer may lie in this powerful drink made with common ingredients, but which have surprising properties. Many people underestimate the power of certain foods, not realizing that when used correctly, they can bring real benefits to the body. Today, you will learn the step-by-step of a recipe that can transform your routine and improve your mood. But beware, the secret is to follow each step correctly to get the most benefits. Let's get started. The first step that many overlook, the power hidden in garlic. When it comes to energy and disposition, few people imagine that garlic can be a great ally. This simple ingredient, present in most cuisines, is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, but its impact on vitality goes far beyond that. Garlic contains a substance called allicin, which is released when it is crushed or minced. This substance has the power to improve blood circulation, helping to transport more oxygen and nutrients to the muscles and brain. This means that consuming garlic in the right way can help fight fatigue and increase physical endurance. But beware, for its benefits to be really enjoyed, garlic needs to be fresh and prepared in the right way. Garlic that has already been crushed and sold ready loses a good part of the allicin, becoming less effective for this purpose. Therefore, the first step in this recipe is to use fresh garlic cloves and peel them by hand. If the teeth are large, 2 are enough. If they are small, 3 or 4 can be used to enhance the effects. To release the allicin correctly, it is important to crush the garlic with a juicer or chop it very finely with a knife. If you want, you can also grate the garlic, ensuring that it is as thin as possible. This facilitates the release of the active compounds and makes the drink even more efficient. Now, imagine your body receiving optimized blood flow, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to each cell. This simple step already prepares your body for an extra boost of energy and disposition. But garlic is only the first ingredient in this powerful elixir. The next step involves a component that many people already consume daily, but which, when used correctly, can further enhance the effects of this drink. And that's exactly what we'll talk about now. Instant coffee, the surprising ingredient that can make all the difference. If there is an ingredient that practically everyone has used to give a boost to their routine, it is coffee. But does any type of coffee work for this recipe? The answer is no. The secret is in the use of instant coffee, which has a more stable concentration of caffeine and mixes better with the other ingredients. Caffeine is a natural stimulant of the central nervous system. It works by blocking adenosine, a neurotransmitter that induces feelings of tiredness. By doing so, caffeine keeps your brain alert, improves the ability to concentrate, and reduces fatigue. But caffeine doesn't just act on the brain. It also stimulates the release of adrenaline, which improves physical performance and increases endurance. That is, your body and mind are more willing at the same time. But beware, there is no point in replacing instant coffee with traditional powder. Regular coffee may not dissolve completely in the mixture and compromise the texture and effectiveness of the drink. Therefore, the ideal is to use a well-filled tablespoon of traditional instant coffee without added sugar or other compounds. Mixed with garlic, this ingredient creates a potent combination that speeds up metabolism and helps the body function more efficiently. In addition, this curious combination has a thermogenic effect, helping to burn calories and promoting more energy throughout the day. But for everything to work as expected, there is still an essential ingredient missing. An element that many people underestimate, but which is responsible for activating the main benefits of this mixture. And it is exactly about him that we will talk now. The detail that activates all the benefits of the recipe. Have you ever stopped to think about the power that a simple lemon can have over your body? Many people use lemon only to season food or prepare juices, but it goes far beyond that. This ingredient plays an essential role in our recipe as it enhances the absorption of the active compounds in garlic and coffee. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals and reduces oxidative stress in the body. This means that it helps protect cells, improving the overall functioning of the body. But the big secret of the lemon in this recipe is its effect on metabolism. When combined with garlic and coffee, it creates an ideal environment for the activation of energetic processes in the body. In addition, lemon has an alkalizing action, helping to balance the body's pH and improving digestion. This means that it not only contributes to physical disposition, but also to intestinal health, ensuring that your body better absorbs nutrients from food. Another important point: lemon helps regulate blood sugar levels. This prevents sudden peaks and drops in energy, keeping your mood stable throughout the day. For this recipe, the juice of half a fresh lemon is enough. It's important to use freshly squeezed lemon without adding sugar or artificial sweeteners. This ensures that all beneficial compounds are present at the time of consumption. By mixing lemon juice with garlic and instant coffee, we create a combination that acts directly on mood and well-being. But before consuming this drink, there is a fundamental detail that can make all the difference in the results. The temperature of the water you are going to use can completely transform the effectiveness of this mixture. And that's exactly what we'll talk about now. The mistake that can ruin your drink. The right temperature makes all the difference. Many people don't realize it, but the temperature of the water can completely alter the effects of this recipe. Putting the water at the wrong temperature can destroy important compounds in the ingredients and reduce the benefits of the drink. So what's the right way to do this? The water needs to be boiling at the time it is mixed into the recipe. This is because heat helps to better extract the active compounds from garlic and instant coffee, enhancing their effects on the body. But there is an important detail. The drink should not be consumed hot. This is because some chemical processes take a while to happen, and cooling the drink is essential to activate certain benefits. When the mixture is left to sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes, the ingredients interact and release their properties more effectively. This waiting time allows the garlic to fully release the allicin, making the drink even more potent. In addition, the flavor is a little milder, making consumption easier. Another reason why it's important to let the drink cool is that very high temperatures can affect the acidity of the lemon and alter its effects on metabolism. The correct way to do this process is simple. Once the water boils, pour it over the garlic, coffee, and lemon mixture and cover the cup with a saucer or a cloth. This helps preserve the volatile compounds in garlic and prevents some of the benefits from being lost. After 20 to 30 minutes of rest, your drink will be at the right point to be consumed. But before taking it, there is still one last ingredient that makes all the difference in this recipe. An ingredient that, in addition to softening the flavor, adds another important benefit to your health. And that's the next secret we're going to reveal now. The final secret, the ingredient that makes the mixture more powerful. If you've come this far, you may be wondering, does this drink really work? And what is missing to make it even more complete? The answer lies in an ingredient that, in addition to balancing the flavor, enhances the effects of the recipe. Honey. Honey is one of the richest natural foods in beneficial properties for the body. It is an excellent source of energy as it contains healthy carbohydrates that are absorbed gradually, ensuring disposition without causing blood sugar spikes. In addition, honey has antioxidant action, fighting free radicals and reducing inflammation in the body. This means that it helps protect cells and improves the functioning of the immune system. But the great differential of honey in this recipe is its effect on the digestive system. It facilitates the absorption of the nutrients present in garlic, coffee, and lemon, making the benefits of the drink to be used to the fullest. Another positive point of honey is that it helps to soften the intense flavor of the mixture, making consumption more pleasant. For this recipe, the ideal is to add 2 tablespoons of honey, mixing well until completely dissolved. But beware, honey should be added only after the drink is already warm or cold. That's because very high temperatures can destroy some of your beneficial enzymes and reduce your nutritional value. With honey, this drink becomes a true elixir for mood and well-being. Now that all the ingredients have been added correctly, an important question arises. When is the best time to consume this drink and feel its effects more quickly? The answer lies in the next essential step: the right time to take and feel the effects faster. Now that the drink is ready, the most important question arises: when is the best time to consume it and get all its benefits? The answer is directly linked to the functioning of our body and the moment when it best absorbs nutrients. To feel the effects of this drink more intensely, the ideal is to drink it 30 minutes before bedtime. But why is this time the most recommended? During sleep, the body goes through a process of cell recovery and regeneration. It is during this period that blood circulation improves, tissues are repaired, and hormones are regulated. The drink acts exactly at this moment, providing the necessary compounds to optimize this process. In addition, garlic and honey help relax the body, promoting a sense of well-being that can contribute to a more peaceful night's sleep. Coffee, despite containing caffeine, when combined with the other ingredients, does not cause agitation when taken at this time. This is because garlic and lemon help to balance their effects, ensuring only the benefits for the mood without harming rest. But if you want to try the drink at another time, there is a second option that can also bring good results. It can be consumed first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, about 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Taking it at this time can help wake up the body in a natural way, activating the metabolism and ensuring more energy for the whole day. Regardless of the time chosen, the important thing is to be consistent in consumption. The best effects are usually noticed from the third dose, when the ingredients have had enough time to act in the body. Now that you know exactly how and when to drink this drink, there's only one detail left. Is it worth trying? In the next and last excerpt, we will talk about the impact that this change can have on your routine and how small choices can transform your disposition and quality of life. Try it and discover a new way to feel better. The change you are looking for in your energy and disposition can be in simple everyday choices. Often, we look for complex solutions and forget that nature already offers us the resources we need to live better. This drink is an example of how common ingredients can make a big difference when combined in the right way. Now that you know this recipe, there's only one step left. Try it. Give yourself the opportunity to feel the effects of this powerful mixture. Start including this drink in your routine and observe how your body reacts. But remember, consistency is the key to any change. Don't expect miraculous results overnight, but rather a gradual process of transformation. And when you notice the first effects, share your experience. After all, when we discover something good, there is nothing better than sharing it with other people. Now the decision is in your hands. Are you ready to take that step and experience a new level of disposition and well-being?